Hey everybody, it's Stacy and I am jumping on my soapbox today to talk about one of my favorite topics that you can clean up today in Razor's Edge and save yourself some trouble. So let's look at the phone types table in my database. You will notice there are some great things in here. Somebody typed an actual phone number into the phone type name. People have typed a bunch of different versions of email, and these are all different. We have lots of things like personal and spouse cell phone and wife's phone number and all of these things, right? So first thing you need to do with all of your email and phone types that you want to keep is to edit them and ensure a couple of things are correct. So ensure you have the description spelled how you want it. You need to actually select a telephone number, fax number, email address, link, or other so that Razor's Edge will know how to format the information that you put in, and then select a format from this dropdown. So once you have all of those things done with the ones you know you want to keep, then you're going to use your table cleanup to say, I'm going to select all of these ones that are weird, and we are going to replace it with home. And we can click replace now, and it will magically change any phone types with that number to home, delete the incorrect table entry. So do that now. Now, the reason I'm on a soapbox about this today is because we all, back in the day, Razor's Edge allowed you to only have one email or phone of each type on a record, right? So if you had 4 phone numbers for somebody, you had to have at least 4 different email types that said stuff like home and cell and home 2 and summer home and lake house and all the things, right? And so our tables got to be real messy like this. And this we do not want, because Razor's Edge now allows you to use the same phone type and the same email type more than once, which is hugely helpful, especially if you're using Razor's Edge NXT email marketing and just for cleanliness and ease of use in general. So I'm going to encourage you to get rid of all this kind of silliness, okay? So for example, let's look at George Washington's record. Stretch him out a little bit. So we go in and we see he has 3 email addresses listed, and of course they have 3 different email types according to how this looked when we put his record in the system a million years ago, or 270 years ago, whenever we added him to Razor's Edge. So what I'm going to recommend that you do is something more like this. So if we go to edit the email addresses, I'm going to change the types of all of these to email. I know this is primary. This is the one that I want to send to him most of the time. I know this one already has the type of email, so that looks good. And then this one, which is inactive, can also have the type of email, and it's not going to probably show up anywhere because it's inactive, right? So now that we've done that, we only have one email type represented here on this table, or on this little note, and I think that makes it a lot easier to look at. Now, are there situations where you might want to have something like home email and business email and all of those things? Yes, there are probably times when you would want to do that. So just think really carefully about how you use phone and email types, especially in your Razor's Edge NXT email marketing. And that's how you pare down your list so that it's manageable, and clean it up and make it as simple to look at for your users and as simple to enter as possible, while also retaining all the information that you need. So check it out today. Table cleanup is amazing. You got to do it. It's so fun. It will make you feel really, really good about your life and your Razor's Edge database. So have a fun time. Talk to you soon. Bye.